Welcome to our quick guide to three transformative technologies: cloud computing, the Internet of Things, IoT, and blockchain. Let's explore the basics of each and how they're shaping our world. Cloud computing delivers computing services over the Internet, allowing you to access data and applications remotely. For example, Netflix uses Amazon Web Services, AWS, to stream movies and shows to millions of users. This flexibility lets businesses scale resources on demand without investing in physical infrastructure. The Internet of Things, IoT, connects everyday devices to the Internet, enabling them to send and receive data. Imagine a smart home where your thermostat, lights, and security cameras all communicate with each other. In agriculture, IoT devices monitor soil conditions to help farmers optimize crop yields. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions securely across multiple computers. It's the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Beyond finance, Walmart uses blockchain to track the origin of food products, ensuring safety and transparency from farm to table. In summary, cloud computing, IoT, and blockchain are revolutionizing how we live and work. Understanding these technologies is key to embracing the future. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech insights.